All I tell him, right? My tin very black. He can't see through this. And give me a ticket for seatbelt and telling me. I know pulling my belt. Oh, you can see through my car. How? And give me a ticket. Oh, you can see through my car, right? You can't see through my car, right? You can't see through my car from up so. Oh, you can see through my car from up so and tell me I know pulling my belt, right? Why you care? You come on me kick sitting, right? If I was Indian and do that, boy. You're telling about the racial right for black people, boy. I'm telling all the wicked and all the hard, boy. I tell you to come on here. I done been through this and that, boy. But all the lucky and taking all that, I swear. Telling about you can give me a ticket. Or you can give me a ticket for my glass being dark. I can't see through my car and tell me no about my 10, boy. But they evil and all that, boy. You and boy, you see this one doing saying nothing, boy, and all the wicked, boy. All the wicked and all that, boy. All the wicked and all that, boy. But that chimney have vexed in a uniform, boy. I tell you, kick thing. This policeman here, boy. Real off, boy. For a black man, you're real off. For a black man, you're real off, boy. You're real off. You start telling me number my 10 and telling me you see my seatbelt in the back of me. But they're wicked and all they're hard, boy. They're wicked and all they're hard, boy.
Really upset with people, they can.
Proper nothing, boy. Proper nothing, boy. Why you pull you over? Or you ask if you know pulley belt. Or this, boy, all your mind, real sting, boy. And if I fear, I fear my Lord, boy. If you're not joking, thing at all, but they're wicked in the heart, boy. Or you can see me pull my tent, my seatbelt and my tent black like your face, boy. My tent black like your face, you tell me about, you know, see me pull my belt. But they dread, boy. By a stick on it from like, cuff it out now, boy. I'm telling you, boy, or you keep sending me any more. Boy, What again here, that? All your bad. It's all your sodas at the places over this, dog. I'm telling you, dog. When I see man going to work and being normal, I'm trying to come round my kick sitting by. All they set up pips with by. But I put some of them to come round me, them can I kick sitting by. Always late, bye.
You know my people, the man sound upset, you know. Yeah man, him sound upset, my people, him sound upset, man. Him sound really upset. But I understand what he pointed out, no viewers and subscribers. I understand what he pointed out. You see me? No, tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. You see me? But according to some things that the man said in the video, I got the understanding that he pointed out that glass on his motor vehicle, they are tinted dark. So how police are able to see that he was not wearing a seatbelt from a certain distance? That's the understanding that I got from some things that he said in that video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah. If the police gave him a ticket unfairly, that bad. You see me? We want to think about that situation, my people. Yeah, we want to really and truly think about some things that the man said in that video. What do you think about the video itself? You see me? Now, there's always two sides to a story, of viewers and subscribers. You see me? That's why I said if the police gave him a ticket unfairly, then that's bad. You see? Yeah, and the video had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so let me know what you think about that video, and big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I have more things I want to talk to you about, alright? So with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, 2 years after the killing of a female Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Kishan, a man who was her boyfriend had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica for her murder. Viewers and subscribers, I remember about that incident. You know, it is said that she was in a dispute with a person, a man who was at the time her boyfriend, and she had been shot and killed. But I soon get down to certain details, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that Tony Martin, a 34-year-old resident of Old Harbour Villa, that's within Old Harbour, St. Catherine, Jamaica, was arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica for Kishan's murder. And it is said that he had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica on Wednesday. So that would be the 15th of December, the year 2021, right? Because today is the 18th of December, the year 2021, when I'm doing this video. See? So, it is said that Kishan, whose real name is Kenisha Brown, was shot dead on July 20, that would be the year 2019. According to some more things in this news article, it is said that the 24-year-old woman was a resident of Hibiscus Drive in Marley Mount, Old Harbour. That's within St. Catherine, Jamaica, of course. You see me? So, according to police report, it is said that Brown and Martin were at home in Old Harbour when an argument developed between those two persons. See? Now, it is said that during the dispute, Brown allegedly threw objects at Martin's motor vehicle, which resulted into a fight. And allegedly, it is said that Martin then pulled a licensed firearm and shot and killed Brown. See? That is what me hear. That's what the news article says as well. So me I said to your viewers and subscribers. So it is said that she was taken to a hospital where she was pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers. And you see, that was a really sad day within the music industry when news hit out there that this female Jamaican musician had lost her life. You see me I say my people. So me just make you know about these info that I got about that situation. You see me here, information that I got about that situation. I just make you know what I go on. So, you know, I could see how this play out. Alright? Now move on to another topic. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting this video to you more like a warning than to just show you. See me? Yeah, I mean, electricity is dangerous. This video is going to show a wire on the ground, viewers and subscribers. You're going to see a part of the land or the road dig up certain ways. You see me? Allegedly, according to some things that the man said in the video, I got the understanding that electricity might have done that damage to that part of the ground or the road. You understand? So, when I take a look at this video, tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. And I think it is common knowledge to each and every adult that electricity is dangerous. So, if you see wires on the ground, don't go near it. You don't know if it's live or if it's not live or what. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
What this I go do me? I left work. Me not turn here. Here. You are a person. Come here. Eh? I used to. Me I left work. Here. The Purdue Road. Eh? Ramp with current. You hear that? The current and leave it alone.
No left. You know can't turn there. You see me? All me see live where I like them, the know viewers and subscribers. Me not go near it, you know. Well, him no can stand there. My people, when me see any form of wires from half of the light pole, them utility pole drop a ground, me not go near them there, no. Me don't know if they're live, and even if them no have no current in them, me still not go near them on my one, or the public one, or JPS one, no so? Yeah, so me not go near that. That can't stand there. And me I go left it right here. So big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla and big up.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?